Hey friends, what is good? I hope all is fine. Today I'm going to try to answer to a question. Is not like more like a question, is more like a statement somebody has made when we were talking. So let's see if we have if we can help out with anything about this. So the thing is this: sometimes we cannot create IFC spaces properly because the source model isn't clean or consistent. Well, there are so many things here, but yeah, let me start somewhere. You are not the only person encountering problems with spaces in IFC. Unfortunately, many tools are not really the best when it comes to spaces, and that's how you end up with this kind of situation. What you can do, what I would do in your, if I were you, I would have, I would try to dive deeper and understand better how the tools are working. If you stick to the default exporting method of this tool, then you're probably missing out, and I'm sure there might be some better support for that. That's one thing, right? And now it depends on your situation. Then, if you really have to fix your spaces and you don't know how and you have no choice, it's not the best idea, because it depends if you want to do that repeatedly, especially if you get a new revision, if you get an update on your model, then you have to do that again if you're using Bonsai. But Bonsai supports this natively, so with Bonsai you can actually fix all your spaces natively without any problem. But again, you have to have in mind the fact that if you need to update your models, if you have to do that, then that might be a problem, okay? It's very important to understand, like when I say IFC natively, I mean like spaces are like a wall. You can edit it, you can drag it, you can generate spaces in like spaces based on some walls. You can do that. You can also just drag and drop it and increase it and so on. So it's like any other object. It's not an object, but you understand what I say. Maybe the best thing to go about is like to generate the spaces based on walls, but you have, like in this case, you have to have the walls touching, I guess. I'm not sure if you get an error when that's not the case. But yeah, like Bonsai, at BonsaiBIM.org, it's a free IFC open source. It's a free open source tool, IFC native, okay? So that could be your go-to. Now depends what exactly you want to do, but I know more people. I have a few members in the Bonsai Bootcamp who are modifying the spaces to make sure to be able to actually to do something with their models for other disciplines they are relying upon spaces for. So yes, is it ideal? Well, I don't know, but you have at least these two options. In case you don't manage to find a way to export it properly from your tool, from your authoring tool, then you can use Bonsai for this. And I think it's amazing that this tool doesn't cost anything. And yeah, you can just do that. I don't know if this answers your question, but I hope somehow. And if you don't use already Bonsai, you should give it a try and see how that works. I think you can find some tutorials about this on YouTube. I think I will have something at some point. I'm not sure if I have specifically about spaces, but I might. I'm not sure. I don't remember. Sorry. But yeah, I hope this was helpful somehow. And if so, I hope maybe it was helpful for more people as well. Great. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you around. Have a good one.